Welcome back to Gaminggo-kartswhithnoah, and today we'll be doing a video where I won't hunt and pick up a car because I got a notification saying that there was someone who was selling a car and it was really cool, and I thought I could do something with it. So I'll be heading there first. By the way, this is me in the future because it did not record my voice for some reason. So yeah, sorry if it takes a little bit longer than normal to get to the place where I need to because I just moved here. So I don't really know the places on this map that much, but yeah. Hope you enjoy, and that's really all I have to say for right now. Sorry for how bad my driving is, by the way. Yeah, I don't know why I'm so bad at driving in this game. A part of it's probably because of lag. But, yeah. By the way, in a part, I definitely get way over speed, and I'm surprised I didn't get arrested. Lol. You can't get arrested in this game. Unless you were role-playing with your friends and stuff, but, yeah. Yeah. Oh, by the way, comment down below if you would like to see me do a Call of Duty video. Like and comment, because it's a pretty fun game in my opinion. I could play it forever if I had the service, which I do. And yeah. Oh, by the way, I do end up using like GPS, so yeah. This is taking so long to get there. But hey, hopefully it turns out to be a good video and you guys love it, so. It took forever for me to set up, and by the way, all the vehicles you see in this video are mine and I built. And that orange one, I built myself and I'm just role playing, so yeah. By the way, that's just like his main truck, but he has other ones. He said he'll get a taxi to take him home and just start using a different truck and make it a daily driver, so yeah. I'm not taking the man's daily driver. He has other ones that he can use, is what he said to me, so I guess I'll pick back up once we get there. Okay, finally, we're here. Whew. It took so long, but yeah. Yeah, by the way, the truck has a manual in it, so I end up rolling a lot of coal. It's a pretty nice Dodge, I believe. Don't yell at me in the comments if YouTube doesn't turn them off if I'm wrong about that, but I believe it's a Ram or no. The suspension doesn't look the best, so I might try and talk him down, maybe $5 grand. it looks pretty bent up, and like this was definitely the his main daily driver. And sorry about me just shooting right beside the truck, but like I said, I am loving the new update with the hunting, you can get out of the truck, the guns, new clothing, everything about the new update I love. This thing's, he said he was gonna lower it a lot more, but this was as low as he could get it with some really good suspension, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 4-wheel drive and lock all the diffs just in case, because I don't really know how heavy this is, the truck. Lol, I really do, but I'm just trying to RP. Let's show some role play. And the truck is really heavy, as you can see, and later, because the fastest I think I got this was like 28. So I know where to go this time at least, but it's probably going to be just as long because how slow this thing will go. So yeah. I'm going to be recording one more video, maybe 2 today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, I'm really good at Call of Duty. I stopped playing it for maybe a year or 2. Before that, I played it for maybe like a week. And I was really bad. And now I'm really good. Got through like 10, 20 levels in a couple of minutes of playing. So yeah. Just filling up the gas tank right now, and I guess I'll look up in the sky and see if there's any birds to shoot out of the sky. The only thing I hate about the new update is where the shoot button is, because I hit it all the time by accident when walking around. Oh, and I think I just heard a dink. So what's ready to do? Go, 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 go. Come on, truck, go. Come on, get past 28 miles per hour this time on the way home, even though I know you're not, because I'm in the future after recording the video. So yeah. Okay, we're finally home, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop the trailer off really quick. And yeah, we'll go to the hunting place, which isn't that long from my house, actually. And don't mind it. It's still in construction. It's a really big, nice house. Yeah. Hunting place is right here. I'm finna pass it. I just ran into a thing trying to go turn the opposite way into it. Comment down below if you would like to see me do some BeamNG Drive on my computer, if I can figure out how to record on it, and if YouTube doesn't turn off comments. Oh, whoops. I guess I have to sign in for the place. Holy, it was $300. Who cares? I'm a millionaire anyways. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the next video that I know I'm going to be recording today. I'm going to be exploding something, I'm not going to tell you what, with a 12 gauge, me shooting it instead of my dad this time. Cause yeah, he just, yeah, anyways. My mom's let me shoot it, well, wanted me to shoot it before, but I didn't. I don't know why. I'm going to be shooting the 12 gauge and exploding something with it, not going to tell you what, with a bird shot, not buckshot, because them things will hurt you. The person shooting the gun, because of the knife and stuff. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna run back to the truck and maybe jump up onto it. See if I can find any birds to shoot, because I don't know if I will or not, because I haven't seen that many birds on this map. Because, like I said, well, I didn't actually say it, but it's a humongous map. At least I don't think I said it. Anyways, yeah. I'm just gonna see if I can see any birds and try and shoot them. It looks like I can't really find any birds right now, so I might just go home. Right here, I'm trying to see if I can see things farther away with the scope. See if it's actually useful. So yeah, don't mind that. I didn't even say anything in this part when I thought the thing was. But anyways, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, that's really all I have to say. Can I shoot those through the fence? No, I can't. Okay, that answers my question. Why am I still trying to do it? The reason I came back to my truck was because I didn't notice how low on bullets I was. So, yeah. Gaminggo-karts with Noah out. Peace. Woo!